Guys, it's me, ChristinaMarieBeauty. I am doing a review on this setting spray. Look at this. Isn't that freaking awesome? Look at that. And I'm also going to show you guys how to make something similar really quick. But this, just so you guys know, is by Iconic London. It says Prep, Set, and Glow. So I'm going to be putting this against my holy grail of foundations today. If my foundation comes off, it will be because of this product, because this is the only product that is different. So I'm going to I'm going to spray it on before my foundation. I'm going to set my makeup afterwards, after I put the powders on my face and set my foundation. I'm going to set it with this and see, does my foundation come off or not? Is it worth it? Do I look glittery or what? I don't know. Look at this. It is absolutely, absolutely stunning. But if you wanted to make an oil similar to this, I'm going to show you guys how really quick. Just so you guys know, the 5th ingredient in this product is castor oil. So it is an oil base. Did it make me look oily? Let's just go ahead and show you guys what I look like putting on my makeup, setting it, whatever, and see, I'll tell you guys what I think afterwards. So let's go ahead and just jump to that video. So you guys can see, like, I sprayed my face, but look at my forehead. Like, my forehead looks like very dewy, and if I touch it, it feels like my foundation is not going to last. Look at that. You can see how my light is reflecting off my forehead. And now I'm going to show you guys really close footage, zoomed in, and how it left like this glitter kind of like all over my skin. Really micro fine glitter. And no, it's not the glitter in my eyes that fell, because this is chunky and this is not. Now, do you like that? Do you prefer that? It kind of gives my chest a very, very youthful glow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like you guys can see that on my nails when I move back and forth. Like, I have this glow to my skin. But do I like it as a setting spray? I don't know. Let's just go ahead and jump to that video and those check-ins and show you. And then, hey, oh, before I forget, let me show you really quick. So this here is just body oil, right? I'm going to make it look like this. How am I going to make it look like this? I'm just going to take a loose highlighter by Wet n Wild, or whatever loose highlighter you have. Even if you don't have a loose highlighter, you can just crush up one of the highlighters that you don't use so much, crush it up, and then pour the highlighter into the bottle. Okay, so check it out. So this is what it looks like. It's clear, right? Now I already poured it into here. I'll show you guys a closer footage of me doing this. So you can see the highlighter on the bottom, right? So let's go ahead and just shake this up. Okay, I still have some that I have to shake up better on the bottom, but you guys can see what it's doing. Look at that. And the reason I like kind of making your own body oil, you can put this all over your body, gives you that nice little extra shine. The reason I like making your own body oil is because this is, I mean, like, maybe people don't want this color on their skin. You know, if you're very, very fair, you want a highlighter in your oil that is lighter. Look at this. So and the phone goes off. Okay, since the phone was ringing, I just kept shaking it. But look at this. So you guys can see right there. And this actually, I prefer this type of highlighter on my skin because I'm a little bit more white right now. When I get more tanned, I will put something like this on. But I want you to know that this type of setting spray actually does the same exact thing that this is going to do. It all collects on the bottom, and then this will get like more clear, and then all this glitter will collect on the bottom, and it will do the same exact thing. So anyways, let's go ahead and just jump to those check-ins and see, did my makeup last? Did it take it off? Did it not? I don't know. Okay guys, I have you super, super, super zoomed in. So you guys can see some glitter right there. Now look really, really close. I'm gonna move really slow, and you will be able to see like tiny reflectance of glitter. Do you see this? Especially like within here. And no, it's not the glitter in my eyes. The glitter in my eye is much more chunkier, but you can see this, see? Look within here. You see the little tiny particles of glitter that it kind of sprays all over the face. Let's come over here. I know you guys can see a few. I think more so with this lighting on this side. if I get close to my forehead, you guys can see how the light reflects off my forehead when I was telling you that it gives me like this a dewy look. Now, how does it feel? Ooh, it does have, I don't know if this is going to last all day, so it does have that little pinch feel of... Guys, I've been wearing this for 4 hours and I am an oily mess. We can see how the lights just want to reflect off my nose and my upper forehead. So I got my Scott one-ply toilet paper. We're going to push it right down like this. We're not going to rub it. We're just going to push it down and see if all the oil comes off, or is it my makeup and the oil coming off? Okay, so that is a lot of oil that came off. You guys can see it came off right here in the corner, how I'm darker right there. And then a little bit right there, but a lot right here. Right here, you guys can see my strawberry. So it is lifting in those corners. And I kind of feel, I don't know, I feel like I'm still oily, even though I removed the oil. I just feel like I'm oily. But let's see if it lasts longer. Okay guys, so I just woke up from a nap. It is almost, it's 6.5 hours later. You guys can see like I produced more oils. Look at my nose, how shiny it is, my forehead. Just gonna put it right back down. Mind you, I took a nap and I sleep on my back just to make sure that I don't mess up my makeup when I'm doing a test. So everything looks fine, but I'm really oily. Obviously, you still see my strawberry right there. There's nothing there. So let me go ahead and wipe it down with my Scott one-ply toilet paper. That is a lot of oil. I think I'm producing more oil with this on my skin. And you can see like the foundation where it came off before, it's actually now all the way up to here. It's all the way, there's a line now. You guys can see the spot on my chin where it, let me lock the color. You guys can see this spot on my chin right here where it came off. There's a line, came off even more up here. Not all my foundation came off, but I think because, and it's kind of funny because the Wet n Wild setting primers, let's see if you guys can really see that. Look at that, that's a lot. The Wet n Wild prep and setting primers, they have oil in them too, but it does not jack up my foundation. I know it has not been 7 hours yet, but I'm already having those difficulties with my foundation in my nose, a little here, and just slightly, other places, just slightly where you couldn't really tell. But for me to be pulling off this much oil every time I pat down is quite, it's the spray. That's what it is. It's the castor oil in the spray and the other ingredients that are making me overproduce oil. And because of that, my foundation is coming off within my nose area. So just for that reason alone, I would say do not get this if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, you might love it. But for oily skin, considering this is my holy grail of foundations, I can actually put the Wet n Wild setting spray right on top of this, which actually has oil in it too, but it doesn't mess with my makeup like this. I'm just going to have to give it a thumbs down for oily skin. Yes, is it from a 1 to a 10? What would I give it? 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. I would probably say I'd give it a 5. Because my makeup, all of it didn't come off. But things that I dislike the most is I feel like I'm oily. Obviously, I am more oily because you can see it on the toilet paper. And my makeup removed a little bit, yeah. And I have still specks of glitter all over me. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I will post a link to this, if I can find a link to this, maybe for you girls watching that have dry skin and want to try it. Because I really think that this might hydrate your skin. My chest, I mean, just, what the, oh, that's from my necklace when I was sleeping like that. Besides that, you can see how it makes the rest of your body kind of glow. And that's awesome. But you also can customize your own type of oils like I showed you guys for that body glow as well. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.